Hello beautiful people, Joby here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean the kitchen with me, and I want to show you how I clean and keep my induction cooktop spotless and shiny. If you want to see that, just keep on watching. So here is the view of my kitchen, guys. That's the before view.
That will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. Sometimes it feels like you just wanna run. It's easier than facing your own doubts.
And now it's time to hand wash all the things that don't go to the dishwasher, guys. Yes, I am using the gloves, guys, because my hands were so dry and there were cracks on my fingers, so I prefer to use the gloves, guys, because yeah, it was hurt. Every winter, guys, I have this problem of my hands, even though I always use hand cream.
Right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. I'd fly. If I could fly, I'd fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. I'd
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So I have to throw away the dried longganisa, guys, because nobody eating it anymore.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
How I eradicated the burnt of my induction cooktop. I used different products, but they didn't work. I even used the rough part of a sponge, but it didn't either. One day, I was watching a video on YouTube, and one cleaning mommy used this special tool, and I watched how she did it. I was wondering where on earth I can buy that, and one day I was at the supermarket here in our town and I saw this kitchen tool that I was looking for ages. So I grabbed and bought it. When I was at home, I was figuring out how this thingy works. The first time I used it, I was quite terrified because of the blade and it is so sharp. I tried it few times until I get used to it. I scraped it and removed all the remnants of burned and spilled liquids, and I was in awe and said, "Yes, I finally found a product that works." Finally, my dull induction cooktop looks brand new again, as you can see, guys. Yes. So this is the product, guys, that I used, and I use this also sometimes if I can see that I need to scrape some burnt or some dried liquid again.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
So let's try to use it, guys. Let's remove the dried liquid.
Yeah, I won't waste this.
So guys, can you see the black like powder, guys? So that's what I removed from the cooktop. Yes, this thing, guys, is so efficient and it works.
Standing in the middle of a bonfire, you don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
This video is helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a nice comment before you leave. And hope to see you again, guys, next time with a brand new video. Bye, beautiful people around the world.
Lost track of everything but each other.